Welcome to Smartfm 101.1 Makassar. And as I usually every Tuesday at 7 p.m., yeah, we have a special program with BPEC. Yeah, and of course, I'm not alone here. I have friends from BPEC. Hello.
Hello, Kak.
Good evening, guys.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm
pretty
good.
Oh, pretty good and
Pretty good.
very good. Same, actually. I'm great. Okay, can't wait. But before we talking about this discussion, yeah, we want to say congratulations for Smart FM
Please.
because got awards from Adam Malik Awards
Wow.
as the best
Congratulations.
media category radio. Yeah, wow! Giving
Yes,
applause for
cool.
Smart FM. And actually, the second is we want to say to rest in peace for Sriwijaya Air. Because this is a tragedy, and we want to say sorry to hear that about it.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Tonight. Okay. I'm not alone. I say just now. We have a friend
Okay.
from BPEC.
Yeah.
Okay. From you, please introduce yourself to smart
Okay,
listener.
thank you, Kak, for your opportunity. My name is Fahrul Laksan Saputra,
Hello.
and hi, Kak.
How can I call you?
And you can call me Acang.
Achang.
Oh,
Hello,
Achang.
Achang.
Hello, Kak.
Next.
Yeah. For the first, it's so long time to come again in
Yeah,
with
welcome.
Smart FM.
Welcome back.
And yeah, thank you for tonight because I can come again with
Okay,
Smart
yeah.
FM, and my name is Muhammad Said.
Hello,
Just,
Said.
just call me Said.
Hello, Said. And also, we invite to smart listener here to watching YouTube on YouTube channel Smart FM.
Smart FM.
Yeah, so not only listen our voice, but also they can watch us while we discussion
Yes.
because this is very beneficial to improve their English. Okay,
Right.
because we are from the same community, maybe I wanna invite brother Said to explain what is BPEC itself for the smart listener.
Okay, for the smart listener, Smart
Yeah.
FM Makassar, BPC is the best community in Makassar, actually, especially for improve your speaking.
Yeah.
Yeah, before we always got meeting every Sunday morning in how to say Fort Rotterdam. But for
Routines.
now,
Yeah,
but because there's a pandemic COVID-19, so now BPEC always get the meeting every Sunday morning at Jipang Street. Yeah, right.
I know.
Right.
Because I am part of BPEC.
Yeah.
Okay. So BPEC, of course, free of charge, right?
Yeah.
So everybody can come.
Yeah,
Right?
of course.
And because this is the oldest, right? This is the oldest club meeting in Makassar, and of course, this is a very people always very excited to come.
Yes, of
And
course.
yeah, because this is a credible English community in Makassar because the oldest with a long and best experience.
Yeah.
Since 1986, right?
Yes.
Because we always meet like Mr. Diaz, that he has always speak very well.
Oh, thank you. Giving applause for BPC. Yeah. Well, again, we have a special topic every week
Yeah.
in the same place, but different people always. Yeah, our topic tonight, because maybe we can relate it with the like tragedy Sriwijaya Air a few days ago. Oh my God, we are sorry to hear that, and we have an empathy. Maybe one of us have like phobia about altitude when we fly on the airplane. Oh my God, that's because tonight our topic is phobia is nightmare. I want to ask you guys about a few questions, of course. Okay, for the first question, while we're waiting our friends, hopefully they come join with us and make our conversation is more live, something like that. Okay, I want to ask for the Mr. Said.
Me?
Welcome back.
Yeah.
Okay, when we talk about phobia, phobia is nightmare. Actually, what is correlation between phobia and nightmare? Because we called in this topic phobia is
Yeah.
nightmare. Is in bahasa adalah.
Mm-mm.
So, what do you think about it? What is your point of view about it?
Yeah, thinking about that, maybe as we know, the phobia is seems like we fear about something. For example, our experience
Okay.
with you say that before if we fly, and then we got some seems like turbulence. Yeah, we can say
Yeah,
turbulence
yeah.
if we get a plane. Yeah, and after that, because the experience we have a phobia about that.
Mhm.
So yeah, I think like that.
So maybe when you correlate, can you correlate? I
Uh-huh.
mean, like phobia and nightmare, are they actually has a strong relation? Because we call tonight phobia is nightmares. Yeah, phobia.
Afraid. Yeah,
Afraid.
yeah,
Right.
Okay, I get the point. You know,
yeah,
for a while, you know.
yeah.
Okay. What about you? I can call you Achang, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. What is your point of view about
Okay.
phobia itself?
Phobia.
Yeah.
Maybe I will explain what is the definition.
Yeah.
Okay, a phobia is a type of anxiety disorder defined by a person and exists five fear an object or situation, right? And
Okay.
a nightmare also called a bad dream, right?
Bad dream.
Mm,
Yeah.
yes.
Nightmare.
Bad dream.
The synonym.
Yes,
Yeah.
is an unpleasant dream that can cause a strong emotional response from the mind, typically for but also inspire anxiety or great sadness.
Okay. Our brother said just now it's phobia is afraid.
Yes,
Right.
afraid.
Are you agree about it and why?
Yes, I really agree.
Why?
Because
Yeah.
phobia to how to say illness. I mean in
Is it?
bahasa mengganggu.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay.
Itu,
Okay.
right.
Is it illness? You know,
I
in like
mean,
disease, something like that.
Like sometimes the people embrace it, sigh.
Yeah.
When I have a phobia,
Okay.
Yeah.
I think so no.
I said it before. If we are afraid, so that's why if you want to get that phobia, and then we always how to say avoid. We always avoid from there about the phobia. If for example we want to go to Pare
Okay.
or anywhere,
I think we go to Bar to improve our English. Right? Yeah, you're right.
and then we are afraid to if we get a plan, and then we always how to say we ingat
Mhm.
about this Sriwijaya Air, and of course we are afraid to get the
Like trauma.
yeah trauma.
Trauma. We
Yeah.
call trauma.
Yeah, we call
So, what do you think about phobia? Why do people become
Phobia.
phobia? Okay, Acham first. Why do people
according to me, why do people become phobia? Because the first, they have a negative experience, right?
Yeah,
Okay, of course.
Many phobia develop as a result of having a negative experience or panic attack relates to a specific object or situation,
Okay.
right? And the second of all, maybe genetics and environment,
Okay.
right? There may be a link between your own specific phobia and the phobia or anxiety of your parents. This could be due to genetics or learning behavior.
Okay, you
Okay.
say phobia because why people become phobia because people's got a trauma,
Right.
bad experiences.
Yeah, bad
But I said trauma. Okay, bad experience. Why like that?
Why like that?
Yeah.
Because you know that the experience, how to say, It
Experience
is important.
Maybe that is a very, it's like one of negative unforgettable moment
Mhm.
in life. Like in bahasa tak terlupakan, something like that, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Hello, welcome, welcome. Okay. Before we continue to our sisters, maybe you can introduce yourself again to smart listeners. Okay, come on.
Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Adelia Nabila.
Okay, how can I call you?
You can call me Adele.
Hi,
Adele.
Hi
Adele.
Adele.
How are you?
I'm good.
Okay, you good. So, because you just now arrived here, but I'm sure you know the topic because we share in the group, right? Okay. The topic is phobia is nightmare.
Wow.
It's screaming. Okay. This is also related with our tragedy in this year, in this month, because Sriwijaya Air
Sriwijaya.
with code SG blah 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 something like that have a tragedy, and we have an empathy and say sorry to hear it, right? And so what do you think about this maybe some people phobia to how to say flying
Yeah,
with the
flying.
high altitude,
Yeah.
something like that, for example in the plane. What do you think about phobia itself? What is your definition?
My definition is phobia. If you feel something really disgusting or you scare about it,
Okay.
yeah, I think this is phobia.
Feel this scary,
Yes,
something like
or
that.
disgusting about something you don't like.
Okay. When we don't like something,
Yes.
everything maybe. Not really.
Specific
Specific.
things.
Okay,
Yes.
specific thing. Maybe in
Specific.
extreme.
Yeah.
Extreme situation.
Yeah.
Actually, phobia we have I would say there's like our sister said that
Okay.
if a phobia is
Scared.
I forgot.
Okay. Okay. Keep. It.
Yeah.
Okay. Why do people become a phobia? In your opinion, why do people become phobia?
Phobia is like I ever read phobia is like a disease.
Oh, disease.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Because
Illness, disease.
because he's scared about something when they was born,
Mhm.
and then what they scared about that will bring until they young.
Okay, I can underline you say since it was born. You say just now, right?
Yes.
Okay, maybe some people got a phobia since child or was born,
Yeah.
something like that, and that is and build for the phobia. It means that in other words we call trauma also, right? So
Yes, trauma.
is it? Yeah, trauma. But okay, you have a similar actually
Yeah.
statement and about
Phobia
the
can
phobia.
come from our parents or our experience actually.
Okay, because this is a cumulative, right? A cumulative for bad experience and build trauma and be a phobia, something like that, right?
Yes.
Okay, this is my because okay, this is a very interesting topic because we're talking about a phobia. This is actually we can call a little bit of weakness of us, right? This is not strange, but I think this is interesting. Yeah, because the question first and the second was finished, and now we are going to the third question. Are you ready, guys?
Yes, of course.
Yeah. Talking about a phobia, I'm sure all of us have, even though permanently or maybe semi, something like
Phobia.
that about phobia. Okay, I wanna ask. For the first is Adele. Okay. Do you have any phobia? What is that, or what are them?
Yeah, I have phobia, but I think sometimes I feel, but sometimes not.
What is or what are?
I'm phobia with higher place.
Oh, what
Higher
else?
place.
Like a bridge or a tower.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm phobia like that.
Why you feel like that?
I don't know. Sometimes if I look down, I feel, wow, it's so scary. If I fall down, I don't know what's gonna happen with me now.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
So you just feel scary
Yeah.
about because the situation they very high,
Yes.
something like that. But you say sometimes, right?
Yes.
Why you say sometimes?
Because if not really higher, I'm just feel it's nothing. But if really higher, I feel wow.
Is that
My heart so
is that you feel every you take the place a higher place every time?
no every time.
Not every time. Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Ah, okay. I get a
Yeah.
point. We have a similar actually. Okay, what about you,
Yeah,
Mr. Said?
my phobia is hungry. No, just kidding.
Is it? Oh my god.
I think you too.
Happy to be are.
This unique.
Don't say you are a food hunter. Like our friend. Maybe our friend listen us. Every week he's come here. Okay.
Yeah.
What is or what are?
When I still in elementary school,
Okay.
I phobia with cat.
Cat.
Yeah, but now
You probably with Tom.
what's that?
You know Tom and Jerry.
No.
Not related.
This
This is
related.
analogy.
Ah,
Analogy.
Yeah,
I
Tom.
get it.
Analogy.
Cat we call Tom.
And Tom.
He's a very famous.
Yeah.
Okay, why you
But
phobias?
When
Until now.
in senior high school,
Ah.
it's not fear.
Okay,
Yeah.
it's not anymore.
Yeah, it's not anymore.
So what the new? What's new?
Maybe just
What others? Do you still have a phobia? Maybe
Nothing.
it is nothing. Are you
Yeah.
sure?
yeah.
The higher place?
No.
No.
Yeah.
Ocean, mountains,
No.
dark.
No.
Public speaking? No.
Maybe yeah, sometimes.
Sometimes. When you're standing in front of thousands people,
Yeah.
something like that.
When I stand up in front of a lot of people,
Mhm.
just for the first like now
Mhm.
before the our discussion is
Uh-huh.
what to say apa fear lah.
Okay. Actually, how to say, phobia is not totally. You need to feel deep, not only, but phobia also like panic. How to say in English, in bahasa cemas.
Cemas.
Yeah, not only extreme actually,
Yeah.
but sometimes phobia is not too hard, something like that. So everything when you feel not comfort, that is a phobia.
I got it.
Because the how to say, the phobia itself, it's not totally
Yeah.
hard, extreme, deep, not, but there is how to say, there is a various
Yeah.
of a phobia itself. Yeah, you get it? You want to say something just
but-
now?
Actually, my phobia is you like you said that before. If I can to manage my time, is actually is it phobia or
Pardon?
yeah? I can. If we a lot of seems like if I have
Uh-huh.
like kuliah and I can to
Manage.
that.
Oh, that's not phobia.
no.
That's not phobia because the phobia
But
is
I'm stressed.
no. That is not phobia. Only stress. Only because you doesn't have like a way to how to manage, how to make an order, something like that. This is not actually include of phobia because phobia is have a like there is a special factor.
but I'm panic.
Yep,
Panic.
but that is not routine, right? That is only sometimes. Yeah. Okay, what about you, Achang?
Okay,
Do you have an phobia? What is that, or what are them?
Actually, I have a phobia. I'm afraid.
Are or is?
R is
Is. Only
Yes.
one?
yes.
Are you sure?
No, no.
You need to consistent.
Yes, I'm confused. Yes, of course I am.
Which one?
R.
Are. Okay, what are they? We change the question. What are they?
I'm very afraid when I what to say of I'm very afraid of Haggis. Altitude.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
I know.
yeah.
The level of
right.
hikes. Yeah.
I don't know why it is started when I child, but I really like to climbing mountain. But when I get the top, when I see, I'm afraid. I don't know what's wrong.
When you see below, or
How
When I
fit?
see-
How fit on DPL? You know
For-
DPL in bahasa?
maybe
Di atas permukaan laut.
I get it.
like
How fit?
5 meter atau berapa
Oh,
ke atas?
maybe
10.
1,000.
What's what?
yes.
Centimeter? Meter?
Yes. Because
Maybe kilometer? Oh my god. What else? Altitude and what else?
no, actually, when I afraid when I climbing mountain, but
Oh, really?
when I got the top and 1,000 mdpl,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
I'm afraid when I see in my situation.
Oh, really? What causes did made you phobia about it?
It is started when I child
Okay.
and until now.
Bad experience.
A bit
You get a
experience.
falling down maybe, or falling in love. Kidding.
No.
Okay, keep your statement because I wanna invite for smart listeners to join with us. Maybe smart listener can share their experience about bad things or phobia to us by WhatsApp with number 0811-461-011 or 0811-461-011. We wait them. Yeah, we still while we're waiting the smart listener to send message and share their experience about a phobia in this number, special number in 0811-461-011. We continue our discussion about phobia is nightmare. Okay, maybe you have like statement that why we relate between phobia and nightmare. Adel, do you have a statement? Why we called phobia is nightmare?
Yeah, because phobia is something scary for every people. They very scary and disgusting about the things, and so that's why this is like a nightmare for that.
Okay. How phobia affect to personal and others in real life?
Yeah, it's effect for our psychology, and then if phobia is like really hard to lose, that phobia is that's become a dangerous disease.
For example, what the effect? I mean, like the direct effect to personal something
From
like that.
psychology.
Psychology.
Yeah, psychology effect. This for effect for psychology.
What about the others people's? I mean, like social interaction, community, something like that. From people to people's. I mean, like that. What about that?
That's phobia.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
What the effect? What the effect? For example,
She don't like
when
to
Achang
crowd.
got phobia,
Yeah.
what the effect to other person when Achang got phobia? Do you get the point?
yeah, I got a point.
Yeah. What the effect?
Effect from other people.
Yeah. In social interaction, communication to people's, what effect? What effect? Something like can make arouse side things maybe impact something like to people?
Of course.
Okay,
For
Mr. Said.
example, the people, their phobia is she don't like to crowded, yeah.
Uh-huh.
She don't like to berkumpul. So that's why, yeah. So that's why, if there's a crowded, they're avoid from there. So
That is a personal. But what about the effect
yeah, that effect is of
to
course,
person, to people, to
of
other
course,
people?
for example, me,
Yeah.
and I go out from here,
Yeah.
this place,
Yeah.
and of course, you thinks that if when I his attitude is not good. I think
So the people's give stereotype,
yeah,
negative stereotype, something like that, because maybe you show your bad attitude, but actually the effect is not like that, right? Okay.
of course, if we got the conversation like that, like this, and how to say tiba-tiba, and
Suddenly,
yeah,
yeah.
so sorry,
Yeah.
suddenly one of us go out from that conversation. Of course, we
Okay.
can say, that his attitude is not good actually.
Okay, yeah. That is like direct perspective,
Yeah,
right?
our-
Okay, what about you, Achang? What the effect of phobia to personal and to other persons?
First of all, to personal, the people can be embarrassment. Say,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
Phobia can create awkward and embarrassing situation.
Okay.
For example, how do you explain to your best friend that you can never visit her home because she owns a dog? How do you turn down a trip to the Bahamas with a new love because you cannot bring yourself to get on a plane, right?
Okay.
And
To other persons?
impact to
Yeah.
other person,
Yeah.
they can get social phobia. Social phobia is
phobia.
now as a social anxiety disorder can be especially difficult to manage because the underlying force is humanization
I think that is still a personal.
to personal.
I mean, to personal to others people's. To others people can make a direct effect. Maybe for example, brother says that say that someone how to say someone judge you, judge you that you have a bad attitude,
Okay.
something like that.
Maybe the people can be isolation, right?
Okay.
Isolation in their home.
Uh-huh.
If they have
It's like
how to say-
corona. It's sick. It's
It's like corona. no.
Directly I imagine, okay, coronavirus is isolation. This is the brainstorming keywords.
I think for example is bullying, right? They
okay.
can be isolation in their home.
Okay. The effect is a bully,
Mm.
something like that. Okay, probably.
Uh,
Yeah. What about you? I back to you again. Now you get the point, right? Okay. What the effect to other persons?
Affect they hate for many people,
Yeah.
to person.
for crowded, for they hate herself.
What about the other peoples? To that people, to himself. Others people to himself. What about that?
They, how to say, like
When we make opposite,
get far away.
get far away.
Yes, from them because
Ah.
they say, oh, this is really great. I don't want to be her friends like that.
Okay, good. And do you have guys problem solving about this case?
Problem solving.
Yeah, and also we still invite to smart listener to join in this discussion and share the bad experience or phobia.
Yeah.
In via WhatsApp, of course, in 0811 461011 or 0811 We still wait there. Okay, can't wait to know their experience to share with us about phobia. Yep. Okay, we continue our topic tonight about phobia is nightmare. Maybe you guys have a special treatment or ways or method or something like that to how to give problem solving.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe
From me.
Mr. Said.
Okay. Maybe for the first about problem solving of phobia, maybe go to doctor.
Right. Doctor apa psychologist.
Okay,
Maybe
go to doctor.
Yeah.
Okay. First.
And the second is maybe you can how to say melawan. Melawan rasa
Fight. Fight with
fight the your for example you afraid to eat the rambutan, let's say.
rambutan, not
Yeah,
English.
rambutan.
There's no English. Yeah.
So maybe you can fight with
I remember
your ambition to
Okay. I remember when you say rambutan, Raffi Ahmad. Phobia with rambutan.
Oh.
Yeah. What about you, Adel? Do you have a problem solving about this case? Phobia.
It's the best way to problem solving phobia is go to doctor or a psychology doctor.
Okay.
And then you consume the medicine
Mhm.
for reduce your phobia.
Okay.
And then counseling, how to say counseling?
cancel.
Counseling.
Yeah,
Yeah.
counseling every day with psychiater. And then forget your phobia. Imagine that it's something like is beautiful things for you.
Yeah.
Did you apply to yourself? No.
I'm trying to apply it.
Okay, good. Yeah, before you apply to others people, you need to be how
So
to say
I must
make
go to higher place
experiment.
every day.
Yeah.
I should go to higher place every day to
Oh.
reduce my.
Oh, really?
Maybe this is the best way for me.
Okay. Okay. What about you, Chang?
Okay.
Do you have a special problem solving? Solving?
Okay,
Yeah.
maybe my opinion same with my friends.
Okay.
Going to doctor psychologist, right? But for me, we can fight.
Maybe you have a special ritual. Go to mountains and into ocean.
Yes, of course. Maybe we can fight the phobia, right? For
Fight.
example,
Like colossal, colossal film or
I
movie.
mean, when we afraid about the highest altitude, we can going to climbing mountain, right?
Okay.
To fight in my phobia.
Okay. And don't forget also, guys, in the end session, don't forget to prepare to your idiom and vocabularies.
course.
Yeah. What about when we talk about this topic? Okay, this is a very important. Said, Mr. Said, what about your conclusion? Do you have a conclusion about this topic?
About this topic. Okay.
Yeah.
My conclusion is phobia is maybe just because our experience, so that's why we have trauma, and then we have there's people have from the child, yeah, so that's why
Okay.
you can go to doctor and a psychology doctor, and after that you can counseling, and then we try to fight with our our phobia.
Did you apply to yourself?
Yeah,
Yeah.
course.
Really?
really.
Okay. Okay, what about you, Adele? The conclusion about this topic in your own words.
Phobia is like a disease, so we have to reduce them,
Mm-hmm.
and then we have to forget everything what makes scare, because this phobia effect.
Okay.
So forget everything in your mind, because if you always thinking about that is make you feel stress, make you feel sadness about your phobia. So forget everything. Imagine that is beautiful for you.
Okay. So this is related also about our mindset, right?
Yes, mindset system.
Yeah.
Yes.
This is about mindset system.
Yes.
Okay. What about you, Achang? What is your statement or final statement or conclusion about this topic tonight? A phobia is nightmare.
Phobia. It is really a fright, maybe to other people, right?
Okay.
Like
Not only others,
Only you.
but you too.
they can impact like stress and so
Okay.
on and so far. I think it's enough.
Okay. But I'm curious about actually. It's not only you to feel in your home phobia.
Can you repeat?
It's not only you. I mean, your
Yeah.
family also feel.
Yes, they have a phobia.
Okay, but you know what they phobia.
Yes, I know.
Okay.
What is the phobia?
Okay, it seems maybe similar because you have a same blood. Different.
My family.
Different phobia.
Yes, actually it is different with me
Okay.
in their phobia.
Okay, good. Okay, actually we have a similar. For me,
Yeah.
for myself, actually altitude also sometimes
Mm.
not permanent.
Yeah.
Okay.
Altitude sometimes blood, but not permanent. I can control sometimes, and sometimes dogs.
George.
Dogs.
Yeah.
A dog.
Sometimes.
Oh,
Sometimes.
But, yeah. I just analyze is this danger or not, or something
I
like that. Yeah.
see.
Okay.
When I
But general, no specific.
Yeah,
But this is
okay.
a semi. Not
semi.
permanent. Thanks to God because this is not permanent.
Yeah.
Okay. Because now we arrive to last session. Just prepare yourself to give your idioms and vocabularies. Okay. Who wants to do first?
Ladies
Give
first.
vocabularies, vocabularies and idioms. Okay, Adel.
I have some idioms like
Okay.
afraid of one's own shadow. It means like a person who is afraid of her own shadow is very nervous or easily.
In bahasa.
Like dia takut terhadap sesuatu bayangan
Dia takut terhadap bayangan, ya.
dan feel nervous if they say that.
Okay. Okay, what about others? Do you still have idioms?
I think just that.
What about vocabularies?
Vocabulary. I have some vocabulary
Okay.
like afraid, takut, disgusting, like menjijikan.
Okay,
And
any
then,
else?
Stinky, busuk.
Stinky.
Stinky.
Like a band?
Okay.
No.
Old band? No. Stinky. Enough?
I think like
Okay, what about you, Achang? Do you have a vocabularies or idioms about related this topic tonight?
I have some idioms.
Okay, what
it
are
is
they?
make your blood run cold. It means
Bahasa?
jika sesuatu membuat darahmu dingin itu akan menyakiti dirimu, right? And
Okay.
jadi artinya itu tatapan mata tawanan yang dibuat.
Okay. Any else? Idioms?
Maybe vocabulary.
Okay, vocabularies.
Effect artinya apa? Dampak, right?
Okay.
Afraid, takut,
And-
high gust, ketinggian. I think that's all.
Okay, what about you, Mr. Said?
For the first is flying, or in phobia we can say aerophobia.
Okay.
Okay, and the second is phobia with animals. We can say zoophobia.
Okay. What about idioms?
Nothing.
To say so, I was nothing. Yeah, because this is the last session. Oh my god, we still want to discuss actually about, but yeah, don't worry about it. We still meet in next week,
Next
of
week,
course.
of course.
Yes.
Every
Amen.
Tuesday. Don't forget to smart listener to watching and listen Smartfm in 101.1 FM, and also on YouTube channel Smartfm Makassar. A special Smart of Your Life special discussion always with BPEC Makassar. And I think that's all for our
Yeah.
topic interest tonight. We want to say thank you very
Thank you.
much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
See you next week.
See you next
See you next
week. Good
week.
evening. Bye bye.